How to cut costs with your air conditioner. Most homes nowadays have air conditioners in some form or the other. Many homes, especially in tropical countries, have air conditioners. Types can be window type, split type, and centralized for large installations or for those who can afford them. Having an air conditioner is really an advantage, especially if we need to cool ourselves from the hot humid weather during summers. But, the thing is, an air conditioner can increase the cost of electricity as compared to using only an electric fan. There are many factors that you need to consider that will affect your air conditioning electric bill. The first obvious factor will be your location. The type of weather you have in your country will greatly affect how hard your air conditioner works. If you live in a place with a naturally warm climate, your air conditioner is expected to work twice as hard as an air conditioner used in a home with a mild climate because it has to maintain coolness and comfort. The energy efficiency ratio of your air conditioner is also another important consideration. Appliance manufacturers around the world are now expected to include a tag with the equipment indicating the energy efficiency and power usage of the equipment. Look for an air conditioner that uses minimal electricity to help you save on your electricity bill. An older model of an air conditioner that is a decade old should call for you to replace it with a new one. It is also important that you buy an air conditioner proportionate to the size of the room where you will be installing the unit. The tendency will be that if you use a small air conditioner in a very large room, it will not be able to provide enough coolness and comfort. Plus, the unit would have to do double the effort to make the room cooler, which means higher power usage. It is true that larger units cost more, but it will definitely save you from usage costs in the long run. Of course, there is one factor you cannot control, and that is your local cost of electricity. Energy saving is really up to you. You can also do other things like regularly cleaning or replacing your air conditioner filter if needed, which can also help you reduce your cost for electricity usage. If you are facing any issue with your air conditioner, then call us or email us. Please subscribe to our channel for more air conditioner related videos. Visit our website www.cityservicehub.com for more details. The website link is given in the video description. Thanks for watching.